Hello guys, we're here fishing in Africa and I have my brother, he's coming in a minute, but at first we could show you our two fish ponds. We are just beginners and we have two small ponds over there. In the we have mosquito fish and small tilapia. In the pond behind there we have like these sized tilapia and one catfish. Two of them sadly died because they were jumping out. I think they wanted to go back to the river where we caught them. We caught the fishes with nets, fishing rods, and they're like net. Yeah, this net we caught the mosquito fish and catfish. These guys are
we made it ourselves.
Yeah, by ourselves. And yeah, it's muddy. Maybe we can catch a fish for you guys. Here we have the pond for the small fish, and here we have small tilapia and mosquito fish, and in here we have one catfish and one and a few big tilapia. They're not big, but yeah, quite. Maybe you could see them when I remove this net. And do you know why we have this net on the pond? Because two of the catfish sadly died already because they just jumped out. And here, this is our pond. There's one of the fish. Maybe I can show you. No, actually, clear.
Yeah. We've got one.
Yeah. This is a tilapia. The catfish is good at hiding. Let's move here to the small pond. And this net is for plants or stuff like that. Because they eat duckweed, that's why we have this net. And in here you can see the mosquito fish. They're always hiding under this thing here. Get it? No, that's not it.
It's one small one.
Here,
the biggest
this is a mosquito fish. This small guy. There he goes.
Can I catch this catfish? I don't know.
I caught a stone.
It's stolen. Oh, I caught it.
Oh my gosh,
a catfish.
Bro, how? You're good at this. This is a. Oh my.
Yeah.
I
think that's the biggest one.
The catfish. Let's release him back into his home. Oh my gosh, he's so cute.
He's slimy.
He's so cute.
He's also slimy.
We used a mosquito net to build this fishing net. We used this bigger one to catch fish in the river, but we had no success with this one because it was the water was very strong. Because here in Africa, it's now it's the rain season. I know the rain season has ended, but the rivers are so strong. You could actually drown in them. Oh my gosh. I think this is our biggest tilapia.
It is.
This is our biggest fish so far. Hey. Chill, bro. Oh, it splashed water in my eyes. Chill, bro. Chill. Yeah. This is good.
No.
Stop it. Let's put him in water. This is one of our tilapia.
I caught tilapia. And I caught big tilapia. Oh, in the water.
It's easy to catch them because they're not that smart.
Don't splash. Oh.
Hey. Tutti.
Hey. Oh, we have to put it back. It dries out. Wait.
We have 3 different kinds. A mosquito fish and little tilapia in this pond. We have a catfish and big tilapia, like the ones you saw. They're not big, they get this size, but yeah, they're big when you're starting. We just wanted to say bye now. Please make sure you like and subscribe when you want to see more of our videos. And when you have any questions, just write it in the comments. Bye bye, see you next time.
Bye bye.